Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Alpharetta, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today, we are going to unpack a choice that shapes how your deck will look and perform for years. Wood decking versus composite decking. If you have stood in a backyard wondering which way to go, this episode is for you. Let's start with wood. Most traditional decks around Alpharetta are built with pressure-treated lumber. It is strong, widely available, and usually has a lower upfront cost. Wood can be stained in different colors, and many homeowners like the natural feel underfoot. But wood needs regular care, cleaning, staining, and sealing to keep it from graying, cracking, or absorbing too much moisture over time. Composite decking takes a different approach. These boards are engineered to resist rot, warping, and insect damage, and they are capped with a protective layer that shields the surface from a lot of everyday wear. Brands like TimberTech offer composite options with realistic grain patterns and multiple color choices, designed to stand up to sun, rain, and heavy traffic with less ongoing work from you. Instead of staining every couple of years, most homeowners simply wash a composite deck periodically to keep it looking sharp. So which fits your home? If you enjoy hands-on projects and do not mind setting aside time for maintenance, a well-built wood deck can serve you for years. You will need to keep up with cleaning and coatings, especially in shady or damp areas where boards stay wet longer. If, on the other hand, you prefer to spend weekends enjoying the backyard instead of working on it, composite decking can give you a more predictable, low-maintenance surface. Budget is another big factor. Wood typically has a lower material cost at the start, which can help when you are building a larger deck. Composite decks usually cost more up front, but many homeowners feel the numbers even out over time when you consider stain, sealer, and the value of not having to refinish boards every few years. It really comes down to whether you would rather pay more in the beginning for less upkeep or pay less now and plan on regular maintenance down the road. Location and use also matter. Around pools, hot tubs, or areas that stay damp, composite boards handle moisture better and reduce worries about splinters. On high-traffic decks where kids, pets, and furniture move constantly, tougher composite caps can help control scratching and wear in the main walking paths. For small, low decks or simple porches, wood may still be a solid, cost-effective choice. If you want help comparing specific options for your home, you can reach our team at 770-501-7337 or visit www.toughdeckbuildersalpharetta.com to learn more about our deck construction services. At Tough Deck Builders Alpharetta, we look at your yard, your plans, and your comfort level with maintenance before recommending wood or composite. There is no one-size-fits-all answer, but there is a right answer for your family and your home. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Alpharetta. If you are considering a new deck or a replacement project, use this conversation as a starting point before you pick a material. We will see you in the next episode with more practical outdoor living guidance for homeowners in and around Alpharetta.